What car did we just get, guys? Holy piss. We're just unloading it right now. Look at these seats. Holy crap. Hey, petty boy. This is nuts. So the car was dead. So I'll show you guys once we get it off the trailer.
All right, Cade just got into his Tesla. We're on top of this huge semi. It's a glorious looking day with snow and it's freezing cold. There's Cade getting some footage himself. He had to jump it just so it would unlock, start obviously. We had to go through right here to pop this open. We had to put these cables on these two right here. And then it popped open and we got to the battery, and then now we got inside the car. So, looks good, looks gorgeous. It's about to be a fun project. There's Cade, just happy. Oh. There we go. This Tesla's never seen such treacherous roads. Freezing right now. There we go. Here's the Tesla.
Let me go grab some clips. I got some clips.
Oh, it is going down. And he's off. There she goes. Right. Update. Cade went to the charging station and he couldn't make it. So we just barely jumped him again, and now we're going slowly but surely to our final destination. He's literally 300 yards shy, and then it died. But I came over with this speedy car and another jump box and jumped him, and now we're on our way. Alright, update. Cade we went to the wrong spot for a charging station. So he Googled it on the maps, and it took us here, and we don't see charging stations, so we might be screwed. Right now I'm just following him. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we find one, because that car is gonna die in the next 30 seconds, who knows. But alright, update. We're stranded in a parking lot of a dealership. This Tesla won't start.
I'm trying to reset it right now, but it won't, because we have 0 battery.
We are We're 4 feet away from a parking spot, but right now we're in the middle of a road. So, Kate's screwed. Luckily we have a car right there that we can drive back to our dealership and get a trailer or a tow. Oh, the screen just popped on. That's good news.
But it won't go into drive, is the only thing.
So we're
What's
screwed.
up? I'm just trying to move it just right there so I can go get my truck and trailer.
Yeah.
Cause it won't, it's locked up right now.
Yeah.
It won't go out of park.
Is there usually there's some kind of lockout? Put it like into a tow mode. We push it.
Yeah, let's try that. Let's see.
See if you can figure that out. I mean, just push it forward.
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
So I just bought it from auction,
Mm-hmm.
and it came with a completely dead battery, and so it just needs charged.
Okay.
And so I was like, and I went online to see where the nearest, because our dealership's just in Bountiful, where the nearest charge spot was. And it said there's one by Mountain America, just right here.
Yeah.
And I go, and there's not one. I'm like, are you kidding me? And so it took completely all of the juice that it had.
Yeah, one of my friends, he came back from his trip, had it parked at the airport, and he moved it back like 3 feet, and then it just stopped and it was dead.
No, are you serious?
Sitting, just the parasitic drain, just from the alarm, satellite, all that.
Gosh.
See if you can figure out that lockout, like
Okay.
using something to do with towing, something similar to that.
Let's
Just push it
see.
forward.
Let's see if I'll...
Service.
Towing. Towing's in fact. Must be in park with brake pedal pressed to enable transport mode. Let's see if we can go.
So were you just driving on the jump pack then?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how clever we are. Boom, we got it. We made it. We're gonna go to Woods Cross, pick up either a trailer or we're gonna tow it somehow. But here we go. Off in the good old gasser car. Something that we can trust. Just kidding, Teslas are sick. All right, update. We just got the trailer right now. We're up at that dealership. Got the Tesla trying to work. And we're gonna put on the trailer. There he goes.
Dude, it started up.
Well, the Tesla all of a sudden has battery to move. Hey guys.
Today.
There goes nothing. Here we go. We did it. We survived. Woo! We did it. Okay. The marvelous misadventures of the red Tesla. It's so cold, but we did it. It's 2 degrees, but we did it.